Thank you. Good morning. My name is Rafael Reitmeier. I'm from Romania and I have 29 years old. I came here to speak about my little boy, Edward, who is 2 years and 8 months. 1 year ago, he was diagnosed with Hunter syndrome. Hunter syndrome is a very rare disease with terrifying symptoms. There are 7 cases of Hunter disease in Romania. If not treated, the disease leads to death in the first 10 years of life. The only treatment existing in this moment is called Elaprase. The treatment with enzymatic substitute lasts for all the patients alive, being injected each week. Since 9 months, I'm fighting with the Ministry of Health, pressuring them to introduce the Hunter syndrome on the national program for rare disease. From the legal points of view, I've tried everything to convince the state to pay for treatment of patients with Hunter disease. For us as a family, with an annual review of 3,000 euro, is impossible to pay the medicine, which cost more than 100,000 euros per year. I offered the Health Ministry all the information about this treatment, the medical test, and the price up to date. The full dossier is on the table of the health authorities, waiting for the signature of the Ministry of Health. There are other rare diseases for which the Ministry of Health from 2002 decide to pay the medicine, even if the annual treatment per person cost as much as Hunter syndrome. I refer to Fabry, Pompe, and Gaucher disease. Why is the treatment for Hunter disease not supported by Romanian state? Romania is also a member of United Nations. Why don't have the same rights? I want to underline that in 2010, the Prime Minister of Romania, Mr. Emil Boc, spent 120 million euro from the government resource fund, and the biggest part of this sum has been given to the mayors who are in the same party of the Prime Minister. If the Romanian Prime Minister would have decided, then 1.5 on this sum go to pay the treatment of your children, of our children, the 7 young lives will be safe. It will be fundamental that the European Union put pressure on the Romanian government to save children with Hunter disease. I stop here my speech saying that in Romania, the Ministry of Health is not saving lives, but is deciding who is living and who is dying. Thank you.